Alright guys, I was generating AI articles from our Wow AI. So I was setting up blog automation, but I had just remembered the articles which I have generated, I have given the wrong author. So how to bulk edit the WordPress. So what you want to do is go into the post, and here click on the bulk actions, and here you can click on edit, click on apply. Okay, so it's just ask me to at least performance. So let me just select all this and click on edit, click on apply. Now once you do that, it's just gonna ask you the bulk edit. You can see all the articles which are selected, and here what you want to edit, you can select whether you want to select the reviews or SEO or tutorials. So let me just do this, and I can also change the author name and keep it this one. Comments, I can also allow, do not allow, status and format, and we have this couple of settings, and we can even edit the tags. So that's just it. So let me just go, and these are the bulk edits which I can do as of now. But if you want to do more, so go into the plugins, and here just type in, gonna add plugin, and here search bulk edit. And once you do that, so we have got the many bulk edit plugins right here, so you can install whatever is relevant for you.